Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Photoshop brushes. To start, open Photoshop and scan or import an image that you want to create a brush from. In this example, I've scanned a page of pattern doodles drawn with pen and ink on paper and imported it into Photoshop. First, choose the area of the image you want to turn into a brush. Use the rectangular marquee tool or any selection tool of your choice to make your selection. Once you have your selection, go to Edit in the top menu, then click on Define Brush Preset. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your brush. Give it a name and click OK. Now, let's see how these brushes look and customize their settings for better use. Create a new blank document by going to File, New, and choosing your desired dimensions. Then, open the Brush Presets window by going to Window, Brush Presets. You will see the brushes you just created at the bottom of the list. Select the first brush and click on your new document. By default, when you paint with this brush, it might not be very interesting as it just repeats the same pattern. You can scale the brush up or down using the left or right bracket keys on your keyboard. To make the brush strokes more dynamic, open the Brush Settings window. In the Brushes window, select Shape Dynamics. Enable it by checking the box. Adjust the angle jitter to make the brush rotate randomly each time you paint. This will add more variation to your strokes. Next, select Scattering and enable it. Increase the scatter value to randomize the distance between the brush stamps. This will spread the pattern more irregularly across your canvas. You can adjust the scatter value to find a balance that works best for your design. Now, let's test the brush. With Shape Dynamics and Scattering adjusted, paint across the canvas. You'll notice the brush strokes are more varied and dynamic. Finally, if you want to save your customized brushes, go to Edit, then Presets, and select Preset Manager. In the Preset Manager, select the brushes you created, click Save Set, and give the brush set a name, such as Pattern Brushes. Click Save to store your custom brushes for future use. That's it. You've successfully created and customized your own Photoshop brushes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. See you next time.